Well, back with another Uncle Keith's paint shop video, and I am late to the party because this, my friends, was a grey Honda Civic EP3 when I last seen it. Hopefully I've got a photograph of that somewhere, but it's definitely a bit red now. So let's go find the man himself and see where we're up to. And here he is. Now Keith, I appreciate, like I've just said at the start of this video, I'm a little bit late to this one, but that used to be a grey Civic and I can see lots of grey parts. Here's our Keno. It's Friday, so I'm a week behind. I'm sorry, mate. I'm sorry. But how's she going?
It's going red.
It's going red. Come and talk to me.
She's got to go from grey to red, so it's got, that's the coat, it'll have another coat of red on it.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's yeah. We'll go around it, get another coat on it, make sure it's covered, make sure we're wrapping everything, and then...
I see the doors off.
Yeah.
So this is...
This is a total respray, inside, outside, the shorts, everything.
So this is Milano red?
Yeah.
Okay. So that means that the doors are off, the boot's off.
Yeah.
This is the full shebang. This is about as intense as it gets, ain't it?
Yeah. It's a Premier Edition, Cosmic Grey.
See, I love Cosmic Grey myself.
Make that as you wish.
Yes, I love Cosmic Grey, but obviously red's his colour. So that's what the mandate is.
Okay. Yeah, so yeah, we just went round, we've got to make sure it's covered, we're happy with it, and then and lacquer it up.
Okay, good stuff. Well, I'll come back when you're spraying some panels red.
Yeah.
Because they love a bit of shh, don't they? All right, in a bit. Back in the booth, and as you can see, that is one EP3 boot lid in Milano red, and that is one EP3 bonnet in Milano red. It's coming together now.
That's the first coat. It needs another coat.
Yeah.
There's some. I don't think you've seen the doors, have you?
Not yet.
I've done the doors and the wings, but that's out there.
Okay,
Yeah, we're
okay.
just working through the bits and painting them and changing the colour.
Yeah, one bit at a time.
One panel at a time. Well, not one panel at a time, but you know, what we can fit in the booth.
So this is first coat, they've got to go again.
Yeah, they've got to have another coat.
Fantastic, fantastic. All right, well, I'll come back and see you in a bit. Well, I'm back in the booth. Keith, these look like some of the final bits. Last few bits. So we've got a spoiler, some side skirts, a rear plinth. So these bits, is this the second coat that's done?
Yeah, these are lacquer indexed.
Lacquer indexed, and then as you can just see through that window, we won't show it off just yet, but yeah, it's going to go back together. Got a few bits on order from Honda, haven't we, that we need, so yeah. Well, it's certainly looking like it's coming together, brother, so I'm really looking forward to seeing it all on. It's going to be a nice one, if you like Milano red.